Trader Netflix on our website. Buy Monday, calls versus puts, earnings October 17th. We bought the calls and we are up bigger than big. Now let me go on pause. The lesson learned is selling into the highs. This is a all-time high. The earnings were exactly what we thought. And yes, you could have been paid on using our buy now, pay later program. Do you believe that Netflix was going to go higher? You make your bet that it goes higher. That's simple, and you get paid. Right now, I have a daily buy signal. It's the best, biggest gap. They did everything that you could want. But the lesson learned is why it's pumping at the earnings calendar high is selling the Netflix calls that are up about 85% right now. And so, like I say, we have the proof. We showed you when we bought it and why we bought it. We bought it on Monday and they reported yesterday. Okay, it's that simple. And these are the gains. Now I'll give you all the reason to get into our live trading room. Our website is nothing but trading, investing, long, short, everything. It's as good as it gets. You don't need to go anywhere else anymore. You don't. You have it all. How to sell into the power move of Netflix on the big earnings beat. Once again, folks, we really care about you, and we hope that you care about yourself. Because if you do, you're going to join us. Because you're going to see the same results you're seeing right now. That's why you're going to join.